Hello, welcome to the Snow Peak Origami Workshop. Snow Peak is a Japanese camping brand and we provide great camping experiences with fantastic camping gear. In this series of videos, we will show you how to make origami camping gear. Origami means holding paper. All you need is a piece of paper. If you don't have a square piece of paper, you can make it from normal rectangle paper, such as printer paper, notebook, or a brochure. Hold it diagonally and cut off what's left over by scissors. That's it. Today, we are going to make a shelf container. Let's start. I painted one side of my paper so I can show you which side is the front or back. But you can make it first and paint it after. Fold the paper into three, horizontally. Then open the top one-third. Hold back the bottom half of one-third, like this. Make a crease and open. Fold the four corners into triangle shape. And fold back to halfway. Turn upside down and do the same as earlier. Hold up one-third of paper. Hold back into half. Make a crease and open. Hold four corners into a triangle shape and hold back. Then fold the triangle part of the right side like this. Do the same for the left side, so it becomes a rectangle shape. Open the box like this. To make the paper stable, hold the short side of the box into inside like this and flatten. You can make it two small containers with quarter size of paper and stack them together. Now you can paint and draw your own design. I hope you enjoyed it. Please create your own gear a lot and post on Instagram with hashtag SnowPeakUK. We are going to send a special prize for the best tent creator. See detail on our website. See you in next video.